Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tonydelarocha, and if it's your first time here, welcome. I do review plus size fashion and lifestyle videos, so don't forget to click that little subscribe button down there and become part of this little family. So today's video we're doing another unboxing with the Winston Box. I just got another box recently. I kind of peeked inside the box already, I know, whatever, but I kind of like what we got. So before I begin with the unboxing, I just want to let you guys know that I've been working with the Winston Box for maybe 2.5 years now, and I've done so many videos. If you guys want to check that out, it is on my channel. I do have a promo code with the Winston Box, which is Tony, and you get $20 off your first box. This is their box here. If you've been following me since I started doing like haul videos or fashion videos, we all know what the box looks like. They do tend to write down little quotes on here or little sayings that make you feel more confident, more good about yourself. So this one says, "Be bold, be confident, be Winston." Go ahead and open this up. Show you guys what we got today. I am excited because you can tell they're trying to transition now into fall. You know, fall and winter are my favorite when it comes to fashion. Alright, so the box out. Trash. Okay, so let's start first with the shirt. So this is the classic denim shirt. Like I said in every video, they started doing this whole tag ticket thing where it talks about the shirt, the product, or material, or how idea behind it, or whatever. So a traditional denim shirt is either basic rinse, wash, or bleach wash. It's a staple in every man's wardrobe. I do have tons and tons of denim tops. None that are like this color. I'm not a big fan of dark denim. I'm more of a washed out, bleached out denim. So this one retails for $54.99. When it comes to denim, you can definitely dress it up or you can dress it down. This is one thing that I love about denim, is that you can just mix and match, do whatever you want, dress it up, dress it down, wear for any occasion. You can do a daytime outfit, you can do a nighttime outfit. I mean, you can do so much with denim, which that's why I have about maybe 5 to 6 denim tops. All right, so when it comes to the shirt, oh, it's gonna fit me big. So one more time, guys, Winston Box, if you're XL, it's gonna fit like a 2X, maybe a 3X sometimes. So what I do, I like to either have them taken in a little bit, or, you know, Winston Box sizes are usually bigger, because I'm an XL when it comes to the Winston Box, but yet it still fits me like a 2X or 3X. So this is an XL denim, which I think it's gonna look really nice if I put it with like some khaki shorts, or even with the shorts that it came with, because we got some shorts as well. So this is the top here. I am gonna try it on at the end of the video so you guys can see what it looks like. So as you can tell, the shirt, this is what it looks like in the front. It does have the Winston Box tag here, the size, and where it's made in Peru. So Winston Box clothing is made in Peru. So it's not heavy denim, so you can definitely put this for a fall outfit and then put like a cardigan on top or a coat maybe. But yeah, I kind of like that it's a short sleeve. So I'm gonna be trying it on and tell you guys how it really fits. So I am happy that it's a short sleeve, because I don't do well with long sleeves. I always end up rolling them up anyway, so I'm happy that's a short sleeve. So for the next item, we did get some shorts. Now the thing with these shorts, it does have like the Gucci vibe to it, which I'm not a big fan of the Gucci vibe that's going on right now. I'm definitely not a big fan, and I will be making a video of what I think of these new trends, like the Balenciaga chunky sneaker, or I don't know. Let's read what it says here. Chino shorts with striped tape. Inspired, ooh, here we go. Look at this. Inspired by looks from Boho Man and ASOS. Our front flat chino shorts start with a buttery, soft Peruvian cotton twill. We then give these shorts a slightly modern twist by sewing a striped ribbon on the side for a pop of color. That is currently on trend. So it is on trend. If you even go to the ASOS website, you'll definitely see a lot of their shorts have a stripe on the side, a lot of their pants. So guys, I am having a collaboration with a couple guys on Instagram with ASOS, so keep your eyes open for that. These shorts feel amazing. I can tell already these are going to be my favorites, just like the other ones in the previous video. I took this to Vegas. I didn't end up wearing them in Vegas though, but I already have an outfit for that. So okay, I can tell the legs are gonna be wide. I can tell that already, but I'm gonna take those in for both of the shorts. This is how the waist looks. Okay, it looks really small, but it has the elastic on the back, so it does give you that stretch. So that's how it's looking there. So that's a good thing. It gives you stretch. You might want to still add a belt to this because the stretchiness by adding stuff in your pocket are going to pull your pants down, and you don't want to do that in public. So it has the classic stitching, the black button, zipper, the Winston Box logo. I'm a size 40. This is what it looks like in the back. So it has the detail of the strap button. I hardly ever use the back pockets unless I just put my wallet on there or whatever. Pockets here are pretty big pockets. So the Winston Box always tends to do really big pockets on pants and shorts and whatnot. And then here's the little on-trend ribbon stripe on the side. Shorts, which I like. I think the color that they chose for the ribbon goes well with the color that the shorts actually are. So I'm excited to try these on. I'm excited to, oh my god, I bet this will look so hot with a mustard color shirt or even maroon. Oh, I'm gonna try these on and show you guys how they feel and how they fit. So let's go ahead and try this little try on haul. This is how it fits. It's not that bad. It is big, like it is really big. Like this is an XL. I wear an XL normally, but when it comes to the Winston Box, this is an XL. If I grab it from the back, I am gonna try and take it in a little bit. This is how it would fit. So it doesn't seem bad, it doesn't feel bad. I love how it feels. It feels really nice on. It's good. Shows my muffin top, it's fine. I like how it feels. I like how it looks. It looks really nice. I don't think I've ever worn dark denim like this, but I love it. This is the length of the shirt. I'm pretty sure you can tell. You can leave it out or tuck it in, so you can do so much with it. And then the shorts fit well. The waist is not bad. The waist really fits perfectly, honestly. So it's not that loose like the other ones are, so I don't think I really need a belt with this, so it's fine. Here's the stripe on the side, which I love. The length is good. It still fits a little wide on the leg part, but the length is really good. What do we feel? What do we feel? What do we think? Tell me. Tell me in the comments below, what do we think of these Winston Box pieces that have been coming in? So this is how big the pocket is. Right there. Hello. Stylish. The back side is like that with the pocket things. Hello. So this is my opinion on it. So the shirt did fit a little bit big, but other than that, it feels amazing. The shirt, I decided to leave it on for the end of the video. It feels good. I'm just gonna have it take it in for a little bit because I know I can definitely wear this for fall. The shorts, without a doubt, are my favorite. So the stripe is on trend. The stripe is gonna continue being on trend for fall. When it comes to pants or dress pants or whatever, it's still gonna continue to be a fall trend. So keep your eyes open for that. Like I said, I can probably have those taken in too. But other than that, I was really satisfied with this box. A good job, Winston Box, for these pieces. I was very happy with this one. So I'm definitely going to be taking some pictures this weekend, probably, with the new pieces that have been coming in. Once again, I do have a promo code with the Winston Box. It's Tony. You do have $20 off your first box, so go ahead and use my code. So I want to thank Will and everyone at the Winston Box for sending me this and still wanting to work with me for this long. I know I can be a little crazy, but hey, I'm glad you're sticking with me. I'm gonna leave all their information down below. I'm gonna leave their website, their Instagram, if you guys wanna go follow them. And don't forget to follow me as well. So follow me on all my social media. I'll leave that down below too. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Tonydelarocha and I do reviews, plus size fashion and lifestyle videos. So subscribe, you already know. Subscribe down below and become part of this little family. We're at 920 subscribers in. We're almost gonna hit 1,000. And don't forget to hit the notification button so you can get notified every time I post a video. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.